Alrighty, let's do this. Hello and welcome back. For those of you who are here for the very first time, I'm Valentina. I am a professional makeup artist and content creator based in London, UK, and today I have an amazing fashion haul for you guys. As always, you will find right over here, or here, my Instagram handle, so you can have a look on my profile and see some fashion outfit inspirations, some of the best makeup looks and step-by-step makeup tutorials. There are so many good items that I got this time. They are super comfortable, they are not expensive at all, they are, the material is so nice, so I'm pretty sure that you will find in this fashion haul so many things that you would actually go for them. Now, the first item, I was ready to say product because usually I'm talking about makeup products. The first item that I absolutely love is this short jumper. The color is absolutely gorgeous. It's super soft. The material is so beautiful. It's wool. I mean, you can imagine how soft it is, and it's also decorated with this. Let me show you, with this small brooch with also has some plastic beads right over here. I really hope that you can actually see them. I got this one in size S, and the color, I think there are only two colors available if I'm not wrong. This one and the other one, it's a gray one, which is also absolutely gorgeous. I believe that you can style this jumper with so many items. For example, you can wear it with trousers, with jeans, with heels, with a short skirt as well, with boots. I think it's super easy to style it, and guys, you can't imagine the feeling. I mean, it's super soft, it's wool, and I think this is something that you should invest in. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's move on with the next item. The next item that I also find it super comfortable is this cuff length dress. I don't know if I can show it to you, but as usual, you will see here a few outfit inspirations wearing this dress as well. I think this is also super easy to style because you can wear it with long boots. You can also wear it with chunky boots. You can also style it with a jumper. You can also wear it with a black jacket. I think there are so many good options, and it looks so super nice because it's very well fitted. If I'm not wrong, this one was not expensive at all. It was 15 pounds or 40 pounds, something around there. This one is in size XS, and there are so many colors available. You can find it on black, you can find it on pink if I'm not wrong, but I absolutely adore this color. I think it suits me so well. I think it's such a great investment because you can wear it not only in the winter, you can also wear it in the spring, and you can also wear it on fall days because it's not too thin but it's not too thick, so it's somewhere in between, and I think that it's such a lovely dress, and you can look basically super fashionable without making too much effort. Now let's move on with another item which I also adore it. I think I have like a passion for materials. This is super beautiful, super soft. The thing is that I would wear this one only on winter days because other than that it may be too much. I don't think that this one would be a great fit for, I don't know, those not fall but not winter in between days. And also I find it super easy to style it with so many items. For example, you can style it with black boots, with a black jacket, with black chunky boots, or with leather trousers, and there are so many other good options as well, and I love the material. As always, I'm absolutely in love with it. There are three colors available. I went for the beige one. I find it super easy to style it with almost everything, with almost all the colors, and you can find it on purple, and also you can find it on a beautiful red shade. Let's see, this is in size S, and it was around 40 pounds. I'm gonna check just to be sure. Yes, 39.99 pounds. Okay, I'm gonna leave this here now. And the next items that I have here are because I'm absolutely obsessed with casual outfits and with comfy outfits these days. And I bought these joggers and a crop sweatshirt as well on black. I went for the size M, if I'm now for S, I'm really sorry. And the material is, let's see, 50% cotton and 58% cotton and 42% polyester. I think you can also make these a little bit fashion, and you can style them with chunky boots. I think they will look absolutely gorgeous. And also this one is super comfortable because it's the material is super nice and it feels so nice on the skin. And this one was 10 pounds. I mean, can you imagine 10 pounds? Is not much at all. And I got the S size. I got another one. Let me show you on a different color. This one is, the trousers are in size S, and I absolutely love this color. I think it's super beautiful, and it's not like a pink, you know, too girlish. It's somewhere in between. I love to call it dirty pink. And the difference is that the sweater is not short like the other one, but they are both super comfortable. I think I would always go first for this one and then for the other one because I'm pretty cold sometimes, and I like to have something fluffy and feel super comfortable. And the material, I'm just trying to find and see what is the material, but I suppose it's the same like the other one, is 60% cotton and 40% polyester, so this one has more cotton than the other one. I do believe that these are absolutely gorgeous and they are very comfortable as well. Now I have only 2 items left, just because the rest of the items that I bought are not my size, so I'm not gonna show you those. I also got this boxy puffer jacket, which has zip and also has these pockets right over here. I hope you can see them. Unfortunately, this also is a little big. It's a little bit too big for myself. It's quite large, and the size is XS. But then again, if you don't want it to be very fit, and maybe if you wear something like one of these jumpers, maybe it's gonna work for you. I think it depends on on us, because it doesn't look bad, but in the same time, I don't know if I'm that happy with the color as well, because initially I was planning to get it on the black shade, but unfortunately it was not available my size, and in the end this is not my size at all. And last but not least, we have this turtleneck top, which I absolutely adore. I don't know why, but I think that it looks so good, and even though some of you may not like it, may not be a huge fan of this this model, I think that it's super nice and it looks so good for blondes, maybe for brunettes as well, if I'm not wrong. I'm trying to imagine now. And it is a little bit transparent, just so you know. One is in size XS. It was 70 pounds, but for some reason I paid only 10 pounds. I had a discount for 7 pounds, but I don't know why. Maybe because I am an H&M member, I have no clue, but yeah, I'm happy for that. What can I say? I find it super comfortable as well. I don't mind that it's a little bit transparent because I'm wearing the black bra, and I think it looks so good because it's not that much, you know, it's not something that makes you feel uncomfortable. And that's it. This is the whole fashion haul for today, guys. I hope so much that you guys enjoyed spending some time here with me. I really hope that all the items that I've showed you today are something that would work for you, and also I hope that all the fashion suggestions, all these outfits that I've studied for you guys would be something that you would be interested in. And if you need any other information, any other details about these items, just let me know. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, and see you very soon with a new video. See ya!